I will show you how to do one of those blue and red paintings. So first I drew Hyunin Kai with just a regular pencil here because he's going to show up the same in both red and blue light. The ones that are going to change, I used blue and red because if I use regular pencil, it's going to show up in both lights. The reason why I did Subin and Bumgyu in red is because when I turn on the red light, then they'll disappear, and so that only the blue will appear, which is Yeonjun and Taehyun. On blue light, you can see Subin here, and you could see Bumgyu here. I will be using the Winsor & Newton watercolors, crappy brushes. They're all falling apart. All my brushes are like Artist Loft. I will be using this color, which is like red, the red. I'm only going to be using round brushes because, I don't know, I just like round brushes. So yeah, I just took the red out just because. Yeah, why not? So I'm going to start painting Hyunin Kai first in regular light. So I'm just going to start with a light wash of red all over him. I added the first layer, and I have a little tester paper here so I can see, how dark it is, what colors come out. I am going to go over the shadows. And so since there's two halos right here, there's gonna have two light sources here. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit more pigment to the water so it'll be darker. Please wait for the whole layer to dry before you start layering on more colors. So I added the second layer on of where the shadows should be. I honestly have no idea. I'm just guessing. So now I am painting, still with the red, for Subin and Bumgyu now. I'm painting in blue light so that the blue drawings that I did will cancel out. So the blue light cancels out the blue drawing. Okay, so I think I'm basically done with the blue. Hyunin Kai doesn't really look like Hyunin Kai anymore, but that's okay, I guess. Now I'm gonna just paint the back completely red. This is kind of scaring me. Like, Subin is like scaring me. This is what it looks like, in normal light. Okay, so now that this red part is done, I'm gonna go and use sky blue instead of like blue because sky blue will disappear under blue light, and if I use like blue it will not disappear as well. And you could just paint like blue on top of it instead of using like colored pencil or whatever, but I did that for this one and it doesn't look as cute, you know what I mean? So I kind of shaded in Yeonjun right here in no particular way. So I have Yeonjun and Hyunin Kai done, but I don't know how I feel about this painting anymore. The lighting is supposed to be coming like from behind them. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. I wonder, do I need to make it darker? I feel like I should. This is what it looks like under red light. This is what it looks like under blue light. This is what it looks like under regular light. Now I'm just gonna sign it and then we're done. Okay, I actually went back in and made it a bit darker with some markers because I kind of didn't like the way it looked. I still don't really like the way it looks right now. Like the difference between this one and then the blue one, you can just see that I'm not a shader. I'm not good at shading with pens. This is what it looks like in natural light. You can see that I went darker with a marker. So yeah, thanks for watching. please try this. I'd like to see it. And yeah, he kind of looks like a fish. I mean my drawing, not him personally, but my drawing.